evening, everybody. It's still me, Emanuela. So in tonight's training session, we are going to be talking about product motion graphic video, how to create it. So there's this advert you normally used to see on television. They will be advertising a particular product, maybe a Milo product, a tea product, a soap product, or any drink like this, any soft drink. The drink will be going in slow motion, maybe even noodles, indomie. They will be cooking it. It will be going in slow motion. They will drop it and the water will splash, in slow motion. So that's what we call product motion graphic video. So in today's session, we are going to talk about that. Now in this session, we are going to make use of our InShot app as usual. Okay, but first of all, I need to go over to my script. In my script, it says the first thing I'm to do here is to add stock videos and adjust. Okay, so what are stock videos? Stock videos are the videos of the elements, the things, the materials that you're going to make use of in this your product motion video. So these are my stock videos. Like videos or pictures that can serve as elements, okay, that you can use in your product motion graphic video. So now, as you can see, if you open this thing, I'll still send you guys the link to access these stock videos. Now, if you open this your stock video, you're going to see Biggie, you're going to see Lux, you're going to see Cowbell. So I just have 3 products. I just picked 3 products and arranged their stock videos and I joined it together. So in your practicals, you can choose to make a product motion graphic video of Biggie, or you can choose to make that of Lux. So anyone you want. It's not a must that you have to do this Cowbell. You can just choose Biggie or you choose Lux. Okay, so anyone you want, or even if you want to do Cowbell as your practical, you can do it. So let's get right into it. If you open this Biggie now, these are the stock pictures and videos. Okay, these ones with these things on their back, like this ash something, this ash stuff on their back, you know that they are what? Images. But these ones that doesn't have it, you know that they are what? Videos. Let's take, for instance, let's open this one now. Let's check. We just tap on it. See the video. This is the video. You click on it. So this is the video. The apple slashing. You get? So now I don't want to make use of Biggie. I actually want to make use of Cowbell. Okay, so let me just pick Cowbell. So now the first thing I want to add in this my stock video, in this my motion video, is this milk here. I want to add this stuff here. This is the first thing I want to add. How do I download it? I just tap on it once. I'll click on where? Download. This is the download button. This thing here, this stuff there, that's the what? Download button. Okay, so I've downloaded it already, so I don't need to download it again. But if you want, you can just download it again. But I've downloaded it. So if it shows you this thing download again, it means that it have already done what's downloaded. So now, assuming you did not see this download button here or option, what you can do is that you can exit. Just click on this thing, hold it. I did not say tap once, so like hold it well, long press it. You will see this download image button. You can also download it from there. So now I will have to take my time and I will download all this stuff right here. Okay, the next one I want to download is this banana stuff. So I can just long press it, click on download, and it will download the image for me. As you can see on my screen, it have downloaded it. So I'm just going to pause this video right now and download it. Once I'm done, I will resume the video so that I will not waste your time. Right guys, so I'm done downloading all these stuffs. Okay, let me check in my photos. Okay, see them here, see them right here. Everything has been downloaded already. So the next thing I'm going to do, so let's check our script. You need to have this your script. It can help you as a guideline. Okay, so we are done with adding the stock videos. Now let's go over to adjusting the stock videos. We are done with what? Adding stock videos. We are done with this part. Let's go over to what? Adjusting parts. Okay, so to adjust it means make use of this app. Look at this app here, this InShot again. So we click on our InShot app. we open it, we click on where video, this place here. Now we click on video. Okay, so we click on new, now here are the products, everything. Now you go over to this place, video, here video, change it to video, because we will have to first of all add the videos first. Do you understand? So the first video I want to make use of is this one right here, this milk one. So I'll put the milk stuff, I'll click on it, then I'll come down here, this good here, I'll click on this good here, then it will open this page for me. Now, as you all know that the first thing you should do is you open this your InShot app in order not to forget it, so that you not be like, don't be like, hey, after editing I'll remove it. Edit it on time, like remove it on time. Is this your InShot watermark? Remember, always remember, we click on what? Free remove, because we are making use of what? Free account. So in some people's accounts you have to,
the loan limit is only 1,000.
as you can see, you have to do what? Watch ads. So we are going to watch these ads right now. Let me pause this video and wait for the ad to finish. Okay, as you can see right here, it just remains 2 seconds before our video is done. This adverts now, we click on where? Grants, reward granted. So we have removed the InShot watermark. As you can see, it's no longer here. So the next thing we have to do is to add up other videos. If you look at this video, you know that the only thing we added here is this milk video. Now to add other videos, we will have to go to this place, this plus sign. You have to go to the plus sign, we will add the videos. Now we move this thing to the end, then we click on the plus sign, we click on video or photo. After that, the next thing I want to add is this banana stuff. I want to add it. I'll click on good. After that, I'll add the chocolate, then I'll add the grain. Okay, then I'll add the strawberry. Then we are good to go. Let's watch the video. Okay, and now as you can see, this video is too long, but it's too long, like it's too long before this milk will come out. Then we have this banana stuff, then the chocolates and the rest. So in order to keep this video short, we will have to trim the video. Trim means reducing, like, the, let me say this, the length of the video. Now if you look at this place right now, you will see these numbers, right? These numbers down here. So now these numbers, we have 0.0. This one here now is 0.0 seconds. That is 0 seconds. Here is 0.2 seconds. Here is 4 seconds. Sorry, this is 6 seconds and the rest. So let me put this my video in 3 seconds. At least it will be 3 seconds long. Now 3 seconds long will be here. Let me show you where it's going to be. It will be in middle of 2 and 4. That is this point that is here. This point that is right here. Do you understand? This small point here, that's the 0.3. So I'll make this white stuff. You see this white line here, this white line, I'll make the white line, I'll shift it to that point. So I've shifted it. Now I'll click on this milk stuff. I'll just click on it once. Then this option here, they said split. I'll click on where? Split. And then I will delete the rest. Now if you watch the video is just going to take 3 seconds, do you understand, before it will change. If it was before, it will be taking a long time before it will do what? Change. So now I've made this one to be 3 seconds. The next one, if you do the calculation, is going to be where? 6 seconds, right? It's going to be here, be this place, in this place. So now I'm going to do, because it's 3 seconds, any amount of seconds you put in the first one, you have to make others to align, so that no video will be too long or too short. Okay, so after 3, where next I will put this thing so that it will be 3 seconds now is where? In 6. Hope you know. I'll put it in this 6. Then I will press this banana stuff, click on split, and I'll delete the rest. Do you understand? Do you get it? So then I come to this place again. After 6 seconds we count. The next one will be where? 9. Do you get? Like 6 plus 3 9. First of all, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9. Okay, I don't need to start teaching you guys all these things. You already know what I mean by that. The next one will now be in 12. After this chocolate one, we click on it, we split it. So I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm going to repeat everything, you know, this in the scenes of all these videos. So I'm going to pause this video so that I will not waste your time. All right, so I'm done with everything, so let's play it. So this is it. 3 seconds, 3 seconds. Everything will be coming up immediately. Do you get? Everything will be coming up. It will not be wasting time. So this is it. So now the next thing we are going to do, we go back to our script. Our script says we should add products and what? Animations. Products and animations. Okay, let's go back to our InShot. Now the product we are talking about is that Milo sachet, those pictures there. That's what we mean by the product. Now to add it, we are not going to use this button here. We are not going to use it. We are not going to use it. What we are going to make use of is what we call PIP. It's in form of what? Overlay. Now this place now, you will see the PIP. Okay, so this is the PIP. But first of all, for this PIP to be active, we have to tell it where we want it, like where we want to have an overlay. This PIP is just like making those products to come and be in front of this place. Do you understand? So now I'll click on this milk part. I'll click on where? PIP, this PIP. I'll click on PIP. Then I will select the image I want. I'll go over to where? Photos. I will go over to photos. Remember, we are in video. Anyone you're in, it to be shining red. As you can see, we are still in videos. That's why this thing is shining red. If we move over to photos now, photos will be red in color. Okay, so now you have to pick a product that will match the background. Okay, let me ask you guys, this background now, which picture here, which cowbell product here will suit it? It's this one, right? This one will suit. So we pick this one. We put it. See, it have appeared. It has appeared. Now let's play. Okay, so it is now on top of it, and you notice two things here, right? The first one is that this cowbell is sitting still, like it's staying still, and it's kind of boring. Moreover, it's crossing this milk something, is entering into this banana background, right? Now what we are going to have to do is to, first of all, let's shift this thing. You see this line here, this line, wait, this line right here, this line now that crossed this place, that line, see this line here. Now you need to make this white stuff here, this white line, you shift it to be in the middle of where that milk and this banana something like joined, where that banana something started, that banana background. Okay, so we put it there. Then we click on this, our cowbell sachet or tin, sorry, our cowbell tin. We click on split so that we can reduce it, so that it will stop entering inside this background. Do you understand? So we click on split, then we delete this one. Now let's play. Have you seen it? Is no longer coming inside this banana background, right? So now the next thing we are going to do is to give this thing animation. We touch it, we scroll to this side where they wrote what? Animation. We scroll like this, we click on animation. Now we have different types of animation. We have in animation, we have out animation, we have combo, we have loop. But the ones that we are going to make use of in today's class is what? In and out animation. In the next class, in other classes, then I'll teach you guys how you can make use of combo and what? Loop. Alright, so for now we are going to make use of in animation. We have so many different types of in animation. This one is to fade, this one is to zoom in, this one is to zoom out, this one is slide right, slide left, slide you. Okay, so I think I'm going to go with this one. Okay, yes, I'm going to go with this one, slide you. So I'll click on it, I'll go over to out. Remember, we are still in. Let's go over to out animation. Then it's just left for you to be picking the animation you think. Don't give it stupid animation, no. Make the animation to look cool. Okay, so okay, I think this one is okay. Yes, I think this is okay. Now let's check. Look at the one I gave it in out animation. This one, slide D. So let's check. Okay, have you seen it? So now we are done with this one, this PIP. Now I'll go over to this banana. If you're done, you click on this good. Then you go over to this banana. click on the banana, click on where PIP again. You just repeat the same process. Click on PIP, click here. If those pictures did not pop up immediately, you clicked on PIP, then you click on it, you see the picture. Now let's choose again this banana background. Which picture here will suit it? Is this one, right? This one right here, because it's talking about banana, right? So we click on this banana, we choose it, we put it here. You can also increase the size of these things. So you can increase the size if you want, or decrease the size, anyone you want. Okay, so you put it in the middle. I would like my own to be here, so I'll come to this one, I'll increase the size a little bit, I'll shift it, or should I decrease the size? Then I'll put it here. The next thing, you go over to your animation. In your animation, we use the same, I want to use the same animation throughout. Okay, so I think I'm going to, the animation I put here was slide D, right? Yes. Then in the out animation, the animation I used here is what? Slide U. Okay, so and now if you look at this thing again, you check, you see it's entering inside this chocolate background. See this banana, it did not even start from where this thing came from. Do you understand? Like when the banana background started, okay, it stayed a long time before this thing entered, and then it's showing in this chocolate background. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this cowbell. I'm going to move it a little bit. I'm going to move it a little bit to this side, and then I'm going to do the same process. Put it in this line here now, between that chocolate and that banana background. Put this long line there. Then you click on that cowbell, click on where split, you delete this part so that it will not be entering inside this chocolate background. Let's check. Let's start the video afresh. Okay, this thing entered too like so soon. I'll shift it a little bit back. So let's play it again. Okay, so as you can see, we cut it now, and that's out animation cut. Okay, what we are going to do is that you have to click on it, click on animation again, go to out, then put what? Slide U, so that the animation will come out again. So this is it. Okay, have you seen it? So I'm going to repeat the same process for all these other slides so that I'll not waste your time, guys. So I'm done adding animations to all those things, so let's check it out. Okay, so as you can see, so this is it. Now let's go back to my script. So the script says the next thing that we are going to do here now is to add text and animations. Adding of text and words, animations. So let's go back to this place. We are going to add text. So now, how do I know the text that I can add there? Now this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go over to ChatGPT. You know what's ChatGPT, right? This app here, ChatGPT, this app. I'm going to go to my ChatGPT. I'm going to type, maybe, let me say, give me variations of word to add in my motion graphic for this cowbell, right? For cowbell products. Then I'll be like one word each. I just want one word, so that it will not come and write long sentence for me. Okay, so one word each. So this is what it's going to give you now. So in the first one, I will just use let's see, I'll copy out nutritious. I'll copy the nutritious, go back to my InShot app, click on this place they said text, this place text, then I'll click on text. I'll click on text again, then I'll paste this nutritious here. Now I'll go over to this place. I don't need this border, it has a black background. I'll go over to this place, I'll click on it. All these things will pop up. So if you look at this place, we have text, we have border, we have shadow, we have glow, we have label, we have opacity. So opacity is like how you can be seeing it, how strong it can come out in the screen, and how fainty it can be. Okay, so let me add it again. I don't actually need the opacity because the opacity is already okay. So what I'm going to remove here now is the border. I don't need this border. Okay, the text, I will make the text to be white in color. Okay, for the border, I don't need the border. See where you're going to click if you don't need border. This one here now, all these things here is for text color. Then for that, these ones here now is for text color. Then this one here is for border. Let me show you what's border. That thing I removed now, that's what we call border. So now I don't need border. Where I'm going to press is on this one. I don't need it. I'll click on it. Now I will have to give this thing I will have to give it, let me say, should I say an outline? This is not actually border. Sorry, this is not border. This is like text to be like, let me say, box. Let it have a background. So I'll go to my border if I want to give the text outline. Let me say if it's a black outline. I don't really like this black outline. Let me just do something that will suit this video. Let me go to blue and I'll check blue, the blue colors. Is there anything here that can suit it or that matches it? So I'm going to just pick, let me pick this one. Yes, let me pick this one. This one is this one. Yes, see the one I picked here. This one, I picked it. So I'll click on where I think I'm done. I like the font already. If you want to change the font, that is the right thing. You click on this place, then you select the right thing you want. So now I think this is okay. Now this place is for animation because this text is not supposed to be standing still. So in animation, remember we have in and what? Out. Okay, so I'll click on in. I want it to come in like this. Now this line here is like time. Okay, let me increase this time so that you see what will happen. Let me increase the time. It will come fast. Do you understand? It will do what? It will come fast. It will come slowly. Do you get? It will come slowly. If I increase it, it will come slowly, this text. Okay, let me double tap it again. Go back to this place. Let me decrease this stuff now. You see how it will come. Wait, let me shift it back so that you can be able to notice it. See, it just popped up in the screen. Do you get? Or let me reduce it. Let me increase it a little bit so that you see how fast it can be. You see, it will just pop out like that. But if I'm to increase it, let me make it to be slow, to pop up slow. I'll put it to the, you see, I'll increase it. It will come out slowly. Then I need to put this text to be on top here. I need to put it to be on top here. Then after that, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make this thing so that if the same time this product is coming out, the text will be what? Coming out. So I'll have to do that from here. So as you can see, this product is coming out. I'll shift this my text back to this place so that as the product is coming up, the text is what? Coming up. And if you notice, the text is not going out because I did not give it because it's not going out the same time this product is going out. Do you get? So what I'm going to do, I'm still going to follow from here again and do what? I'm going to click on this text. I'm going to click on split. Now remember, if you split and delete, it doesn't have any out animation again. You have to double click it, go to this place, go to this place, pick an out animation. You have to press this out so that you be sure. Click an out. So I pick this one. Let me pick this one. Yes, I pick this one. So let's go. Let's check it out. See, they are both coming in at the same time and going out at the same time. Have you seen it? So that's it. That's it. So I'm going to do the same thing to everything here. Do you get? So I'm going to come here again. I'm going to write the second one. Maybe what else did ChatGPT give us? I think let me just write energizing. Okay, let me write energizing. Now if you notice that your chats have cleared with ChatGPT, all you need to do is just to go to this place. You will see your recent chats, the things you've asked ChatGPT to do for you. Do you understand? Then you just click on, see that the last search I made, like the last discussion I had with ChatGPT is cowbell product variation, which is this question I asked it now. See, it will still bring it out for you. So let me say that in this second one, let me just add something like energizing. I'll come here, go to border, this stuff here now, I'll make it to be brown so that it will suit this background. Do you understand? I'll make it to be brown so that it will suit the background. So let me put it this way here, like this. This is okay to suit it. I'll put it here. I will do the same thing, the same animation and every other thing. So I'm going to have to pause this video once I'm done with every other thing so that I will not waste your time. Alright guys, so I'm done with all the transitions and everything, so let's check it out. Okay, so alright, so this is it. The next thing we are going to add now is the ending part, because each motion graphic video or promotion video must have an ending, of which we downloaded it too. So we go over to our video. I think this is our ending. This is the ending video here. We click on it, we click on good, then okay, I think it added something else. Alright, so let me check. Okay, so this is the ending video. Okay, so now the next thing I want to do is to add, like, let me say, sound or transition. Like, I want anytime this thing is coming out, it will be like, it will have a sound like whoosh, sha, that kind sound. That's what I want. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go over to this place that they said audio. Now I'll click on audio. I'll click on effects. Then I'll click on this place that they said transitions. I'll click on transitions. Now let's hear the transitions. Okay, I think let me use this one. Yes, I like this transition, so I'm going to make use of this transition. I'll click on where use. This heart shape here is just for you to add it to your favorites, so I don't really need it to be added to my favorites. I clicked on use. Okay, let's check it out. So it came a bit too early, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to check it well. Okay, now that this product is coming in, I'll add it something like here. Okay, it came a bit late, so this is what you're going to have to do on your own. Okay, so it came right on time. Alright, so let me just adjust it a little bit more. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this is perfect now. All right, so I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to click on it. Instead of going back and be finding the transition, I'll just click on the transition. That is this stuff here. I'll click on it. Make sure that there's this white thing comes out. Then I'll click on copy. I just scrolled like this. I found copy. Then I'll drag it to this side. Okay, it came a bit too late. Wait. It came a bit too late, so I'm going to move it. Okay, I think it came a bit too early. So this is just something you have to, I'll have to increase the volume. Let me increase the volume of this one too. I'll go to where they wrote volume. I'll increase the volume. So, okay. Okay. Then I'll keep on doing what? Copying it. I'll just keep on copying it, pasting it to the next. Do you understand? That's what I'll be doing. I'll be copying them, pasting it. This is what I'm going to do to you. I reached the last video. Okay, so I'm done adding it. Let's check. Okay, the next thing for me now, you see this place that this milk was pouring in. I want it to have this water sound, as if somebody is pouring water inside the bottle. I want it to have that sound. So what I'm still going to do is that I'm going to click on this video. I'm still going to go to where the same thing that we did. I'm going to go to audio. I'm going to go to where effects. Then I'm going to go to food. Where I'm going to go to now is food, because I want to find something that has to do with water. So let's check it out. No, this one is for chewing. No, this one is for slurping. No, this one is for bottle cork. Can opening. Now we have seen pouring water. The first one, let's check. Okay, let's check the second one. Okay, I like the second one. Yes, I like the second one. So let me use it. It should start from somewhere here. No. Something like this. Okay. So now, after this place that they are pouring water, I want it to stop. I'll have to click on it, put it in that place that the pouring water scene is about to end. Then I'll split it and I'll do what? I'll delete. Let's check it. Do you understand? See it here. Have you seen it? So this is it. Now the next thing that is left for us to do now is the background music. First of all, let's check what we have done so far. Okay, so this is what we have done. Now let's add our background music. Okay, to add my music, I'm going to go over to this place that they said audio. Then I'll click on it, go to music. Is either I select a music here. If I don't like it, if I have a music already in my phone, then I can go to this place. So I'm going to pick this one. I'm going to pick this music now, cause That's what I want to make use of. Okay, so I'm done adding my music. Let's check it out. Okay, so let's say that I want to cut this place. I want to shift it. Okay, so that will also make me to go to my audio and shorten this my audio now. As you can see, if this thing, let me play it. See, I'll have to shift this audio so that it will be in the same place. Like, do you understand? So that it will be in the same line with this my video. So once I'm done with that, we are good to go. After that, we all know that the next thing to do is to what? Export. We click on export. Make sure it's in 1080p resolution. Okay, then if we click on export, then you can watch the advert and wait for it to load. If they don't show you adverts, so you can export easily, but sometimes, mostly they will show adverts, so you need to watch those adverts and then your video can be exported. So I've exported it. It's still converting the video. Okay, so the advert has already shown. Okay, so these are the adverts. We need to watch the adverts, or we can just click back. Cause InShot used to give so many adverts. So I think let's wait for it to reach 100%. Then we go to our photos and we check it out. Okay, so our video has been saved. Let's go to our photos. So this is my photos. Let me open it. Okay, so as you can see, this is our video. So see you guys next time in the next class. Bye.